We are back again to show you something amazing for today. If you are here to watch the most advanced, latest trains from China, this video is right for you. The country is now on its way again towards another level of innovation. China is so fast when it comes to producing high-tech trains for transportation. And now, here are some of the latest high-tech trains produced in China. Hi, good day to everyone. This is Arthur and welcome back again to our channel. And now before we get started, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our great contents. And so without further ado, here we go. Number 1 is China's CRRC unveils Sanxingdui themed self-driving train. A new train featuring designs of Sanxingdui cultural relics has been rolled out by China's CRRC, the world's biggest rolling stock manufacturer. The train runs between Chengdu's downtown and its satellite cities. It has a maximum speed of 160 km per hour. The train can start, stop, and return to the garage on its own. Sanxingdui is known as one of the greatest archaeological discoveries of the 20th century. Number 2 is China-made eco-friendly monorail train completes test run. This eco-friendly China-made monorail train is made using sustainable materials and uses up to 20% less power than previous generations. The new train was created by CRRC Corporation Limited, which has independent intellectual property rights. The new model has a service life of 30 years, double that of a previous generation. With a top speed of 100 kph, it has lower running costs, better climbing and turning abilities, and higher wind resistance. Number 3 is China debuts high-speed train. China debuts a high-speed train that can operate under temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. This is Fuxing CR400AFG train with a design speed of 350 km per hour. And this is the debut of this model under the Fuxing brand. To ensure safe operation in extremely low temperatures, the new bullet train has some advanced technologies. A micron-level ceramic porous material has been used to prevent the condensed water. The train has an automated anti-freeze functions in its brake system. It also has insulation material and heating in its water tanks and pipes. Number 4 is blue high-speed trains in South China's Hainan. A distinctive blue high-speed trains that reflects the doors of China's Hainan Island was being assembled. While China's high-speed trains are usually white, these are blue for a season. The trains are about 209 meters long and can travel at 250 km per hour. The new Fuxing train is one of 5 expected to be going into service on the Southern Island Province's Circular Way. Number 5 is high-speed freight train launched in North China. A brand new electric multiple unit freight train developed by China has rolled off the assembly line. China has become the first country in the world to realize such a high-speed freight, marking a significant improvement in China's independent innovation ability in rail transport equipment. Number 6 is autonomous Skyshuttle rail transit put into operation in Chongqing. The elevated rail transit Skyshuttle came into operation in southwest China's Chongqing city, featuring self-driving electric trains. Running on a 15.4-kilometer rail line with 15 elevated stations. The Skyshuttle train passes by several local parks, with a ticket price from 2 yuan to 4 yuan. Through the country's independent research and development, the transit has adopted new transportation technology and is said to effectively optimize the city's short-distance travel with a relatively small number of passengers. Number 7 is China's new Winter Olympics high-speed railway. Brand new smart trains are ready to go into service in northern China. The railway line is a major project for the 2022 Winter Olympics and has two versions, the Standard and the Olympic. As an upgrade of China's Fuxing bullet train, the standard smart trains are equipped with an intelligent system, which allows for automatic starts and stops. It's also capable of self-driving and smart door control. And that's pretty much it for today. Once again, this is Arthur. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.